welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 23. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe we are still on Vlogmas. Oh Jesus God, I deserve some accolade. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be decorating my porch, my veranda, my what that name do they call it? So this garland I'm hanging, it's just to please my toddler. We actually made this garland for her to decorate in her room, but she was like, mommy, please, I want to see it. So I had to hang it for her, but I ended up removing it later on. So this is just me, trying to put the Christmas garland all around. And then I made some snowflakes, like you all know. I made some snowflakes, like plenty snowflakes, and I'm gonna be putting them on my ceiling, the ceiling outside my porch. And I was trying to see if my staple gun could staple it on the ceiling, but it wasn't working. It was not working. It was not just working. And we have not had lights for like 2 days, so I couldn't use my hot gun this day. And my generator was not went for repairs. So we had to push it over till the next day. So if this is the first time joining this channel, you're welcome. Kindly hit that subscribe button below this video and join the family. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I want to give a shout out to this my neighbor's son. Oh my God, this guy has been a lifesaver. Like, always helping around, from the cutting to the drawing and the finishing touch. Can you imagine what I have seen in my video? Fortune will not kill me. Okay guys, so enjoy the video. So this was the next day guys, and I decided to put on the generator, to apply gum to the fishing line so I could attach it on the ceiling, and it just stayed very, very well. Something that was just wasting my time. And this is just me trying to attach the snowflakes to the ceiling. I didn't see this picture anywhere. Like, I didn't see this. I just imagined it, that this is what I wanted it to look. And it turned out so beautiful. Like you all know, I did like 3 types of snowflakes, even though I just showed a video for doing 2. If you've not seen that video, kindly check it out, my 2 previous videos, and you'll see how I made them. If you really want a detailed video, I'll try to do that some other time. But yeah, so here I am just trying to put the snowflakes on the ceilings, and oh my gosh guys, they turned out so beautiful. They turned out super duper beautiful. And as you can see, we're already bringing out our Christmas pajamas. Like, it's now a must wear. We're now bringing out our Christmas pajamas. Oh my gosh guys, I had to fast forward this video so that this video will not be long, because this took a whole day. Like, it was not something simple, like I'm just fast forwarding and it's in like 10 minutes. It was not something easy. I had to take my time, and I don't have this this ladder, so I had to use my chair as ladder, and just use your head to be creative. And look at how it is. Oh my gosh, even without light, it's so beautiful. This is the first snowflake I did, and it's so gorgeous guys. Oh my god. So next I'm just gonna be wrapping my Christmas lights on my Christmas tree. And as you can see, I went ahead to add a Christmas garland all around in place of the kids garland. And this is just me trying to see where to hang this bell. Like, everything must be added, everything Christmassy. Oh gosh, I'm just here laughing at my English language, Christmassy. Anywho, so this is just the simple decoration I did outside my house, and oh my gosh, it turned out beautiful. Like guys, this is In fact, wait to see the night view, because that is when everything comes to life. So I hung the lights on my Christmas tree, and then hung it all around the ceiling too, so it could, there could also be lights in the snowflakes. And then I had a leftover light that I wanted to wrap around like the four corners of my door, but it wasn't giving me getting to the four corners, like the full four corners. And I had to switch. As a creative, you have to think on your feet. So I had to switch and wrap the Christmas lights all around the wreath. And I made the wreath, guys. I made the wreath myself. I made it last year. So if you've not seen a video on how I made that wreath, kindly do check it out. So I got some ornaments from the market, and I decided to put it in my Christmas tree. I also made this Christmas tree, as you can see. So look at this cute snowman or Christmas Santa Claus. So those are parts of the ornaments I got from the market, and I was just fixing it in my Christmas tree to make it look beautiful. And I'll equally be putting some fake empty cartons wrapped in Christmas colors like presents, under the tree. Oh my gosh. They are not ready. They are not ready this Christmas. Okay, guys. Oh my god. There we have it. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. It's beautiful. 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 Go and ask Fortune if the beans are not done. Beautiful. Let's see our tree. So we have some fake presents.
You said the beast is done.
Okay, tell her to give you.
What to give me?
Okay, I am done. This is the wreath. This is the wreath. Kiss not like, kiss not like, kiss not like, kiss not like. Oh my gosh. I love it. 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 Yes, baby. Okay, don't mind that, yeah? Wow, just like stars. Come in, the white can't make sense. So the white light can't make sense. Pass this other one. Let's see how I feel video this one. This one's still fine, though. This one's still fine. Oh wow. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at my. Okay, mbog. Go make my phone for. Okay, mbog. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Yeah, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay.
Navidad.